In this video I will share premium source code with you to create WhatsApp marketing tools and chatbots website. Yes friends, you can create SaaS system by creating WhatsApp marketing tools website using this premium source code. We can easily create a premium package and sell it to users to make a lot of money from this website. Also, we are getting most powerful admin panel to manage this WhatsApp marketing website. We can manage all the functionalities and features of the website through this admin panel. Because here you are getting all types of features sections step by step to manage the website. Also, we can connect WhatsApp company's embedded API website. This is the most important feature of our website. Also, new users can register and log in very easily on our WhatsApp Marketing Tools website. Now we will log into the website as a normal client. Now you can see the nice panel of client account. Clients are getting many important features and functionality sections to manage their accounts. Clients can manage their WhatsApp marketing step by step using these features and functionality sections. So let us now learn step by step how to create such a professional WhatsApp marketing tools and chatbot website. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create WhatsApp marketing tools and chatbots website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow! Now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish Envato to create WhatsApp marketing tools and chatbots website online. You can purchase high quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.1 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the File Manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to Public HTML folder. Then we will go to our source code folder. Now we will convert this folder into zip file. Then we will upload the zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Now we need to submit our correct purchase code here for purchase verification. Now we need to add the database to the website. So now we will learn how to create database in hosting panel. Then we will learn how to connect the database information of the hosting panel to the website. For this you have to follow this video completely step by step. Now we go to the next step. Then we have to submit the admin login information of the website. Wow, we have successfully installed the source code. Now our website is fully ready. Now we can customize all the features and functionalities of the website by logging into the admin panel. Now it will be your responsibility to study all the important feature sections of the admin panel. Or you can customize the important features of the website by visiting the settings section. And you must come to add-ons section and add WhatsApp API. Also, if you have any problem in customizing the functionality features of the admin panel, please contact us and we will help you. In this video, I teach you step by step how to create a WhatsApp Marketing Tools website. If you have any questions about this video, then comment or contact us directly via WhatsApp and email. Thank you very much for watching this video in full. If you don't want to miss our next videos, then definitely subscribe our channel.